If you drive a Toyota 2.5L hybrid, whether it's in a RAV4 hybrid, Camry hybrid, Highlander hybrid, or even a Lexus variant, you're behind the wheel of one of the most efficient and widely used hybrid systems in the world. Built by Toyota, this powertrain has earned a reputation for durability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance. But here's the reality. Even the most reliable hybrid systems are not immune to failure. In fact, recent owner reports, technician insights, and evolving real-world data show that certain issues are beginning to surface, especially as these vehicles age or rack up higher mileage. This guide is not about panic, it's about prevention. If you understand the weak points early, you can avoid expensive repairs, extend the life of your hybrid system, and keep your Toyota running like new. Understanding the Toyota 2.5 hybrid system. Toyota's 2.5L hybrid setup is part of its dynamic force engine family, paired with a hybrid synergy drive. It combines a 2.5L Atkinson cycle gasoline engine, 1 or 2 electric motors, MG1 and MG2, a hybrid battery pack, usually lithium-ion in newer models, an electronic continuously variable transmission, ECVT. This system is designed for efficiency, not performance stress. That's important because many failures today are not due to design flaws, but due to misuse, poor maintenance, or overlooked warning signs. The most common failure points, backed by real data. 1. Hybrid battery degradation, not just old age. Most people assume hybrid batteries simply wear out after 8 to 10 years. That's only partially true. Expert insight, technicians now report that heat management and charging cycles play a much bigger role than age alone. What actually causes early failure? Blocked battery cooling vents, driving in extreme heat without proper airflow, frequent short trips, battery never fully cycles, letting the car sit unused for long periods. Early warning signs, sudden drop in fuel economy, battery fan running loudly, rapid charge, discharge on dashboard display, reduced electric-only driving capability. Fix before failure. Clean the hybrid battery cooling filter every 10 to 15,000 kilometers. Ensure rear seat vents or trunk vents are unobstructed. Drive the car regularly to maintain battery cycling. 2. ECVT, electronic transmission, fluid breakdown. Toyota claims the ECVT is lifetime fluid. That statement has caused serious long-term issues. Expert insight, hybrid specialists now strongly recommend fluid changes every 60,000 to 80,000 kilometers, especially in hot climates like Indonesia. Why it matters. The ECVT doesn't use belts like traditional CVTs. It uses planetary gears and electric motor interaction. But fluid still lubricates internal components, cools the motor generator system, prevents metal wear. Symptoms of neglected fluid, whining or humming noises, reduced smoothness during acceleration, overheating under load. Fix before failure. Replace transmission fluid proactively. Use only Toyota-approved hybrid transmission fluid. Avoid aggressive driving habits that stress the system. 3. Inverter cooling system issues. The inverter is the brain of your hybrid system. It converts DC battery power into AC for the electric motors. If it overheats, your car can shut down completely. What goes wrong? Coolant degradation, water pump failure, air trapped in the cooling system. Expert insight. Modern Toyota hybrids rely heavily on inverter cooling efficiency. Even minor coolant issues can trigger major system faults. Warning signs: hybrid system warning light, reduced power or limp mode, cooling fan running excessively. Fix before failure. Replace inverter coolant at recommended intervals. Inspect electric water pump operation. Bleed air properly after any coolant service. 4. Engine carbon buildup, direct injection side effect. Toyota's 2.5-liter engine uses both port and direct injection. While this reduces carbon buildup compared to pure direct injection engines, it doesn't eliminate it. Why it still happens. Frequent short trips, low quality fuel, lack of engine load, common in hybrids. Expert insight. Because hybrids often run on electric power at low speeds, the gasoline engine doesn't always reach optimal temperatures, leading to carbon deposits over time. Symptoms: rough engine start, reduced efficiency, hesitation under acceleration. Fix before failure. Use high-quality fuel. Occasionally drive at highway speeds to clean the engine. Consider periodic intake cleaning. 5. Brake system wear, counterintuitive problem. You'd think hybrid brakes last longer, and they do, but that creates a different issue. The problem? Because regenerative braking does most of the work, the physical brake components don't get used enough, can develop rust or uneven wear, may seize over time. Expert insight. Many hybrid owners face brake issues not from overuse, but from underuse. Fix before failure. Perform periodic brake inspections. Occasionally apply firm braking to engage physical brakes. Clean and lubricate brake components during service. 6. 12-volt battery neglect, hidden cause of hybrid errors. The small 12-volt battery is often overlooked, but it's critical. What happens when it weakens? Hybrid system errors, random warning lights, failure to start, even with a full hybrid battery. Expert insight. Many hybrid system failures are actually caused by a weak 12-volt battery, not the hybrid system itself. Fix before failure. Replace every 3 to 5 years. Check voltage regularly. Avoid leaving electronics on when parked. Driving habits that are secretly killing your hybrid. Even if you maintain your vehicle, your driving style can shorten its lifespan. 1. Constant short trips. Prevents battery cycling. Increases engine carbon buildup. 2. Aggressive acceleration. Stresses ECVT and electric motors. Generates excess heat. 3. Long periods of inactivity. Degrades battery health. Leads to 12-volt battery failure. 4. Ignoring warning lights. Hybrid systems give early warnings. Don't ignore them. The preventive maintenance blueprint experts recommend. If you want your Toyota 2.5 hybrid to last 300,000 kilometers or more, follow this. Every 10,000-15,000 kilometers, engine oil change. Check hybrid battery cooling filter. Inspect brake system. Every 40,000-60,000 kilometers, inspect inverter coolant. Check 12-volt battery health. Clean intake system if needed. Every 60,000 to 80,000 kilometers, replace ECVT fluid. Inspect hybrid system wiring and connectors. Every 100,000 km plus, full hybrid system diagnostic scan. Battery health check. Capacity test. What mechanics are seeing in 2025-2026? Recent workshop trends show hybrid batteries are lasting longer, but failing suddenly when neglected. ECVT failures are rare, but increasing in poorly maintained vehicles. Electrical issues are often misdiagnosed due to lack of hybrid expertise. Key takeaway. Most failures are preventable, not inevitable. Cost breakdown. Fix early versus fix late. Let's be real, cost matters. Fixing early, battery cooling service cheap, fluid changes affordable, preventive diagnostics minimal cost. Fixing late, hybrid battery replacement expensive, inverter replacement very expensive. Transmission repair, extremely expensive. Expert insight. Preventive maintenance can reduce total ownership cost by up to 60% over the vehicle's lifetime. Should you be worried? Not at all. If you stay proactive, Toyota's 2.5 hybrid system is still one of the most reliable electrified powertrains available today. But the myth of zero maintenance has led many owners into avoidable problems. Think of it this way. The system is robust, but it is not maintenance-free. Final thoughts, the smart owner advantage. If you've read this far, you're already ahead of most hybrid owners. Here's the simple truth. Hybrid failures rarely happen overnight. The warning signs are always there. Small fixes prevent big bills. By understanding how your Toyota hybrid system works and what it needs, you can easily push it beyond 150 to 300,000 kilometers with minimal issues. And in today's world, where repair costs keep rising, that knowledge isn't just useful, it's essential.